Hi, welcome everyone. First of all, what is offer? An offer is like a special deal that makes a course even more exciting for people who want to buy it. It could be a discount or something extra like bonus videos or activities. Offers make a course seems even better and sometimes cheaper. They also make people want to buy the course quickly before the special deal goes away. So offers help sellers get more people to buy their course and make buyers happy because they get a great deal. So in this video, I will show you how these offer features in Go High Level make yourself more proactive and how your buyer will grab your offers so easily that sell make easily. Now for better understanding, we will give you the example how this offer feature can be created in your Go High Level. First of all, you have to go to your sub account. Under sub account, you have to go to your membership tab. In your membership tab, you will get the courses, and under courses, you will get the offer. When you will get the offer, you can have some already existing offers, or you can create a new offers. If I go for a new offers, suppose marketing offers for any types of courses, suppose any kind of products you have. It is financial service, financial product courses, and it is definitely it would be paid, but in this here it is free, but it would be paid one. When these features will be added here, then the payment mode is live, and you will have to and you will create the offer. Whenever you will create the offer, then you will find offer creation details where you can add your offer. Suppose there you can add your descriptions, and here the two options you will get. In this offer creation system, the member can create their offer in two ways. First of all, they can enter the specific date from that date he can use this product or use this course. And in second version, you can put the day in the offer creations that within this period of time, that is the day, the course will be available or discount will be available, offer will be available like that way. So this is the unique features introduced in Go High Level. Through this unique features, the seller can easily sell their products and buyer can easily buy their product. It would increase the sale overall. Thank you.